Hello, students. Welcome you all in this online session in English workbook. And today we are going to begin with the grammar part. Already we have studied in first flight relative clauses. Okay, but here are some more examples are given. Just we need to complete the sentence with the options given above in the box. Okay, so before that, I will just confirm attendance for some of the children, those who have filled in. So this is Aditya. Aditya, are you there? Aditya Huja. No? Okay. Who else are there? Let me confirm. Firstly, some students from 10th A. Some I can see that they are trying to fill in the attendance even at this moment. But this is not the time. If your parents are, filling in on your behalf, that's okay. Otherwise, you should have been here, live with me attending the session. Okay, Tisha, are you there? Yes, Aditya, you are. Tisha, this is Sakshi. She has filled in attendance today at 11:49. Good. But are you here, Sakshi Chajed? Sakshi, other students, you please stop commenting. Sakshi Chajed is there? Sif- Yes, very good. Then Anurag Khule, he filled in at 10:57. Why so early today? Anurag Khule, 10:57. Anurag, are you there? Okay, Ayush Mutta, I'm going to explain that part also, but we are still back to that now. Okay, Anurag, you put your attendance so early today at 10:57 only. Why, dear? Harsh, but am I audible now, well, dear? I'm at home now, so of course children are there, and they will make little noise. But I think it doesn't disturb. Harsh, are you getting disturbed? He has commented, sir, from background, a child's voice is coming. All right. Anurag, so early na you have put your attendance? Okay, you deleted again the messages you had typed. Okay, we will not go much in depth. I know that you have been, attending these sessions every day regularly and also putting your attendance in the online attendance sheet. Anyway, I think you have been shared a timetable for homework, for notes, or for any kind of writing work. Have you all received it? Have you gone through it? Devan says yes. Nobody else? So it is, I think, same as that we had discussed about Monday English, Tuesday Hindi, Wednesday Maths, Thursday Science, and Friday Social Science. And we are also planning to conduct your weekly test also. So if possible, they will also be conducted on the same days, so that Monday, it is completely for English only. you will be able to complete your homework, you will be able to prepare the lessons and everything. And if it happens that you will have a test also, in the same time slot that we have, or at 1 o'clock. Let's see how it happens, but I'm not yet sure about it. You will be intimated shortly. And yesterday night, you must have been intimated about the um, internal test also, online test that we have scheduled from Monday, 25th May to Friday, I think 29 May. So you please start preparing accordingly and be ready for the test. All other details will be also shared, what syllabus would be there, how many marks for one question, and so on, and what kinds of questions. Either they will be MCQs, the results will be declared as we are conducting the online test and declaring like that only, or some different way. Okay, everything will be there. Okay, we will prefer only the MCQs only, because you will also find it easy. Just simply to click on the options and submit in very short of time, and it's easy also. And you get the result the very next moment you submit it. Okay, that's fine. So yesterday we discussed about the story and vocabulary also, and we completed the summary of the story and the part that was related to the story with some words, and we filled in them under the main title vocabulary question number 1. So today we are going to begin with grammar part. We have already done in the first flight, the first lesson, a letter to God. But here again they have given us just as an exercise. So let's finish with this. With it, I know that some of you have done. Okay. Umi, I told you now the details will be shared shortly. Okay, and it will be preferably, I repeated, no, that MCQs only. So the question here is from grammar. I'm reading it for you. You have come across relative clauses in the lesson, A Letter to God. Read about the relative clauses again. Complete the sentences given below in the table by adding the most suitable clause from the box and make it a relative clause. The first one has been done for you. Okay, we will go through that lesson and the part that is there about relative clauses. I think 2 or 3 sessions in school itself we had conducted only for relative clauses. What is main clause, what is principal clause, what is subordinate clause, what are they also known as, dependent, independent, and so on and so on. Many things are there. I think I should not repeat them. Do you want me to repeat again everything about the clauses? Main clause, principal clause, the same, they are there, and independent and dependent and all, you remember? No need, I think. We had also learned about then what kinds of subordinate clauses are there, noun clauses, adjective clauses. They are only known as relative clauses, and also adverb clauses. Okay, no need, that's fine. So let's directly come to the point with the question. The first one is done. A tailor is a person. When we are referring to a person, then we use there as a conjunction who. So what is here? There is a person. Tailor is a person who stitches clothes. So it defines. So defining and non-defining, that also we had learned. A tailor is a person who stitches clothes. Now second one, I'm just putting here, you please complete it. Options are there before you in the textbook, and I'm sure that you must have kept your book open. So a dictionary is a book. Which option do you find the most suitable and the correct one? Very good. Who contains meaning of words? Shreya, book, dictionary is a person. Ayush Shalunke, Sanika Vanzare, you have not used any conjunction. Please use any of the conjunction. Rina, you have also not used. Here we want clause. And when there is a clause, when there is a conjunction, a word, like that, which, who. We had learned not these many conjunctions just to join two sentences. For example, the same sentence I will repeat that is given here. Tailor is a person. Tailor stitches clothes. These are two sentences. Tailor is a person, one sentence. And another one, tailor stitches clothes. So we are joining them together, and then there will be a clause. So how will be the sentence be? Tailor is a person who stitches clothes. Okay, this way we won't hear any of the conjunctions like which if there is a thing, who if there is a person, and so on accordingly. Okay, so here those who have mentioned that which contains meanings of words, that is absolutely right. Then the next one, the book is about a scientist. The book is about a scientist. Now you please don't answer yourself. Wait, I'm going to ask it to someone. You have already answered. Children, please have some patience. Those who have answered now, let it be. But next question, you please wait for me to say the name who is going to answer. Otherwise, there are specific names only. Harsh, Kadu, Khandelwal, Surve, Bhushbal, Khule, Acha. They are only there to answer. And there are some more students, those who are not at all here in the comment box, in the live chat. So when will they be able to answer? So I have to confirm that they also answer, and then only I can understand that they have understood. Next, please don't answer. This is the correct answer. The book is about a scientist. Who? Scientist is a person. So again here we have to use who. And as it is a book and the scientist, then we can understand that it must be about the persons who own the Nobel Prize. So the correct answer is the book is about a scientist who won the Nobel Prize. Okay. The next. What is the name of the player? Okay. What is the name of the player? Wait for me. Devika, were you not there? Hmm? Okay, you answered earlier. Oh, all right. So this is, I think I put next question. Okay, let it be. What is the name of the actor? Here I want Kashish Surana to answer this. Kashish, you please answer. What is the name of the actor? You please find the correct option from the box and use the right conjunction. What is the name of the actor? Kashish, if you're not sure or if you don't know, please comment so that we can give the chance to somebody else. So Stik, I said that I made a mistake that I copied and have put here some other question. Okay. You were waiting for me for the next question and you were ready, but I changed the question and so you couldn't. Okay, Kashish, who won the Best Actor Award this year? Absolutely. Now other children can put their answers. You can be ready with your answer, and when I say you comment or you put your answer, you can simply enter. You post it. Then I will get answers in a moment of many of you. Okay, who won the Best Actor Award this year? Very good. Then we'll come back to the question that is D. What is the name of the player? Okay. What is the name of the player? This is a question. You please complete it with the option that is given in the box. And here is Jadhav. I think is he or she? Jadhav. There are two Jadhav, no? One is in 10th A and another one 10th B. So Jadhav, any one of you, any Jadhav can answer this. What is the name of the player? Complete the sentence with the relative clause, choosing the correct option and the conjunction. Who hit a century? Very good. Jadhav, is it who is this? Please mention Jadhav, Manthan or Ishwari. Okay, very good, Chetanaditya. You are right. Even Sanik Vanzare, Kichar, Khandelwal. Good. Who hit a century? Let's move to the next. I don't like people. I don't like people. Ishwari, you are there. Very good. I don't like people. Complete this. And who is there to complete? Here is Audumbar. I think you want the dose. He has hit a century, and I think someone should hit you with stick. Okay. So I want here to complete this sentence. This is Pawar. I think Siddhi. Siddhi, are you there? Okay, you please answer this. I don't like people. Anurag, you please wait here. Siddhi or whoever is Pawar. I think Siddhi is only there, but you please answer. Other children have answered. It is who tell. Who tells? No. Who tell? Because people is a plural, no? So it won't be tells, but tell. Even if you check in the book, in the box, the option provided, it is tell, not tells. Okay, good. We are done with what is the name of the actor. Then students dash should meet the principal in her office. Students dash should meet the principal in her office. Wait for me to take a name. Who is going to answer? Somil Tiwari, come on. Answer yourself. Somil. Wait for Somil to answer. You can type and just keep it ready. Don't post. Tisha. You don't understand, Tisha? You should have waited now for Somil. Okay, good. This is who need to fill in the application. Very good. That is correct answer. Who need to fill in the application. Nice. Then friends of the trader thought the tailor dash and can cheat anyone. This is a question I'm putting here in the comment box, and I will name the student who is going to answer this. Wait for me to take a name, to declare the name here, to say the name. Okay. Any of Gauri Khattare or Gauri Pargaonkar can answer. Let's see who answers first out of them. Two only, huh? Nobody else. I want either Gauri Khattare or Gauri Pargaonkar to answer this. Other children can be ready with their answers, but wait for them. Yes, both. I think Gauri Pargaonkar has answered who is a crook, and Shruti answered yes, right, very good. That is the right answer. Who is a crook? Then the next question, Lencho blank space thought God would help him. So use a relative clause in order to complete this. Come on. Who is going to complete? I am going to say a name. This is Sahil. Sahil Sonone can answer this. Or Sahil Galande. Any of Sahil. Sahil Galande or Sahil Sonone. Answer this question. Lencho dash thought God would help him. Use a proper relative clause in order to complete it. Okay. There are the options given in the box. Choose one of them, and also you need to select your own, the right conjunction. Then only it would be a perfect, complete relative clause. None of you, neither Sahil Sonone nor Sahil Galande. You should please comment here if you are not able. No sir, or don't know, I'm unable, like that you can comment, because we are waiting for you now, and there are many students with their answers ready, and they're just about to enter them, put them. Vedika, what are you putting here, dear? Lencho thought that. What's it? Sahil Galande doesn't know. Sahil Sonane, we are waiting for you. Come on. Sahil. Audumbar, you are not right. You have just put is faithful. Okay, the right answer is who is faithful. Okay, who should be used there as a conjunction, because who refers to a person. And the question is about Lencho, and Lencho is a person. So we should use who as a conjunction in order to complete and make the sentence meaningful. Okay, next. Those succeed. Those in the blank space will succeed. Those blank space will succeed. Choose the right option given in the box, and also use your own conjunction in order to complete the sentence and make it a perfect complete relative clause. So here is Mit Patel to answer this. Mit, hyper ninja, don't be so hyper. Okay, Shreya has answered. Hyper ninja is also right. To believe in hard work. Who is this hyper ninja? And name yourself, hyper. Very good. So who believes in hard work? That is correct answer. Yashovardhan, dear, please change that name. It is neither of your parent, no? Neither of mother nor of father. Or have you changed their names? You please change it rather than changing their names or of yours. You are so good, no? You had addressed our students yesterday, live with me. This is not expected from you. And now it's very simple, and we have discussed this sentence many a times in the class also in order to learn it better way. But I want Om Ran Singh to answer this. God helps those. Om Ran Singh or Om Nair, any one of them. Who helps? Yes, we have discussed it. God helps those who help themselves. So that is the right answer. This way we are done with this part, the grammar relative clause. I think nobody should have any doubt about the clauses. Main clauses, also known as principal clauses. Subordinate clauses, also known as dependent clauses. And main clauses are also known as independent clauses. Okay, dear students, this time I have helped, not only helped, but have got each part done by you in the workbook, you know. But next time it may not happen that I am only, spoon feeding. It may not be possible. Hardly we get 30 minutes, and in that we have to finish with the lessons, poems, fictions, many stories. In addition to that, these many grammar parts and so on. Okay, so you please, as per the timetable, the timetable is given to you for homework. Accordingly, I want you to do it and complete and submit it. So editing, here is, I think, Swastik or someone had asked about this. What about this editing story? Ayush Mutha, I think. Anyway, okay, whoever was, but we are coming to that point now. Editing. After editing is done, we will be there about the story, that is listening. Suppose Lencho gets 100 pesos in his envelope. He writes a letter to God expressing his gratitude. However, he has missed a word in each line. Help him with those words so that his letter is complete. Dear students, in the story, in first flight, it was given that he received only 70 pesos. and 30 pesos he said that were taken away by the bunch of crooks, means officials in the post office. But here we should take it in a positive way, that he received 100 pesos. Okay, and now he wants to thank God for the help God had offered. Okay, in fact he had complained God that these bunch of crooks have taken away 30 pesos and you please send, wasn't it complaint? But here he wants to thank because he received hundred of hundreds. And accordingly you need to edit these sentences. These questions are there for sure in the board examination for 4 marks. And if there are any changes taking place, it may be increased. It can be for 6 marks, but not less than that, not less than 4. So you should be very good in this. Okay, it includes these many grammar topics. So let's see how are you able to complete this. So the first one is done. Only given thank for, but you should say thank you for in continuation with the next sentence. So which is the missing letter word here? You, that is given and underlined. Now in continuation with the same, the earlier sentence, the next sentence is given here, sending 100 pesos help. So which is the letter or sentence you find here that is missing and should be there? I had told you yesterday to comment positive way. How many of you commented and shared your feedback with the teachers? Okay, right. Here it is, sending me or sending pesos for, as. Very good. Yes, there can be different answers, huh? Sometimes, not all the time. Sending me is also right. Sending me 100 pesos help, that is also right. Or you can say sending 100 pesos as help is also right. Okay, so whichever you write, but not both. You should write any one of them only. Either you could write sending me 100 pesos help or sending 100 pesos as help. Okay, that's fine. Many of you have answered it correctly. Now in continuation with that only, the next sentence is I am very for this kind gesture. Something is missing. So what is that missing that you should say? But I am going to name here the child, the student who is going to answer this. Other students, please don't answer. Achal, you can. Achal. Okay, Achal has answered. I am very glad for this kind gesture. Okay. Chetanaditya has answered grateful. Very good. So it can be answered differently as you have answered. Grateful, glad. Only one, dear. Only one word. Is very mentioned in the question? Yes. Very good. Then you are right, Achal. So only one word you have to add. You can say thankful, grateful, accordingly. As many words as you can. You can say glad also, happy also. Hmm? But happy and glad, do they match perfectly? I am very happy for this kind gesture. Okay, but the most suitable answers are either grateful or thankful. Okay, happy and glad, they are right, but the most suitable compared to glad and happy are grateful or thankful. Even as compared to thankful, grateful would be the most suitable. Okay, so it may happen many a times with you that you will find many answers that they are right, but you should choose the best one, best out of them. Okay, so here the best option, the best answer is grateful. Okay, that shows no gratitude, and so he should be, because he was helped by God. All right, the next. Children, how the time passes we don't understand here. I think only 2 or 3 parts of the unit we are able to finish in a lecture. I have to really work on this so that we need to gear up little. Otherwise, our portion will be lagging behind as compared to other subjects. Okay. You were my only and your. So this is a sentence. Something is missing there. I want Garad here to answer this. Garad, you answer. You were my only and your. Shreya, you are also right. You said faith, but the most suitable would be Om Ran Singh. Garad is an answer here. You are the only Garad. Om Ran Singh, I think I should meet you. I should see you, even if you are there in the area. You were excused yesterday for saying that you are in the area where the corona patients were found. Those who were having corona were found, and that's why you were yesterday excused. But you found today Garad as an answer for this question. You are my only and your Garad. ओम रन सिंह गरड कह रहा है गार्ड गार्डना पड़ेगा ओम को. All right, Om, but you please, I could understand that you wanted to say that Garad should answer, not others. That's what you wanted. Okay, but have some patience. Sometimes you are there all the time with us, and you are the most charming child. Nice. The next one, student, is health has my faith in you. Om, I want you to answer this. Health has my faith in you. What's this? Complete it properly. Health has my faith in you. You can refer to the earlier sentence, then only you will be able to answer. You were my only hope, and your health has my faith in you. What? You got it, Om? Shreya, Chaitranaditya, you have answered, but you can find off some different answer also. Increased is right. Proved is also right. Let's try, put it here. Your health has proved my faith in you. Okay, that is also not correct. You can say your health has increased my faith in you. You can say your health has developed my faith in you. Okay, so these are all open-ended answers. Khushi Sani says strengthen. Good. Somil, dip, it is an adjective, but you can say deepen. Okay. Strengthen. Very good. Anil says has made. Let me check. Your health has made my faith in you. It's seems to be little odd. You can think of some another word. This money will help me until the crop. Now here also you will find different answers. Here whom I want to answer, there is Ayush Shalunke. Ayush Mutta or Ayush Shalunke, any one of you, please answer this. Wait for them. Ayush. This money will help me until the crop. I want only one word. Ayush More, you have answered is ready for the harvest. One word is missing only, not more. Until the crop next. Prathamesh Garad. How the crop next? No, dear. Anurag says crop grow. Okay, grows. Until the crop grows. Crop singular. It refers to singular. So it should be grows. Very good, Sanika. What about Ayush Mutha, Ayush Shalunge? Grows should be there. Huh? Anil says the new. Crop the new. No. Harvest. Very good. or you can say rejuvenates, means when it next time grows and is ready for the harvesting, that we can, you can say rejuvenates. This word I'm putting. All right. Okay, I wish you have answered, but I didn't find, because many children at a time they posted their comments, their answers. Okay, I think let's finish with this part only, that Ayush had asked in the beginning of this session only, that he did not understand the story part. Ayush, it's very simple, dear. There is a story given, the same story, but it has been given in two columns, column A, column B. You have there is nothing missing. You have to add nothing, but simply copy paste. But how should it be done? Let one read for you and you write that. For example, the first sentence given in column A should be read by someone. It it is assessment of listening, dear. It has 5 marks for the board examination also. So one will read and another one will write. You can say dictation. One will dictate that part and another in the sense you are there to write it. Okay. What's this? Promise to work hard. I think. Any question missing? Oh, it was there, the last one. And I promise to work hard. So that is, there would be only work. Work hard in the future. Okay. All right. I did not check the question, but you have all answered correctly. That work is a word that is missing over there. So you please listen to me now carefully about this story. It's very easy. Those who have already understood, you may exit now. You may, uh, stop your session and do your work. Here, those who have not understood, let me explain them briefly. Story A and story B. These are not two different stories. It is the same story, but story A, the first sentence, it is to be read by someone for you, so that you just listen it and write it as we conduct dictation, like that. So I'm simply reading for you, and you may just play my video that is here already available, recorded, and you may write. And it goes vice versa. First sentence given in story A column, and you have to copy it in story B. Second sentence given in story B column, but should be copied in column A. This way, I'm just reading for you. You please do it. Every evening, story A, the race. Okay. Every evening, the animals of the Machilipatti used to sit under the banyan tree. One day, Koko, the rabbit, was feeling bored. He said, "Let's run a race. Who will run a race with you?" "No one can run faster than you," said Bhalu, the bear, eating a mango. "Choo, choo," the rat shouted. "No, he is not the fastest runner. I can run faster than him." Everyone laughed at him. Then it was decided to have a race between Koko and Choo Choo. The starting point was the people tree and the finishing point was the neem tree. Cuckoo, the cock, crowed to start the race. Koko and Choo Choo started running. After running half the distance, Koko looked back, but Choo Choo was nowhere to be seen. He must be far behind. When he was near the finishing point, Choo Choo jumped over Coco's shoulder and touched the neem tree first. He shouted, "I have won the race! I have won the race!" Everyone cheered for Choo Choo. I hope you have enjoyed this story and you please do it. So that's it for today. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.